you, the very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open our Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook app. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to click on this profile icon. Let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on Account Center. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on Password and Security. Then go ahead and click on Two-Factor Authentication. Then select your Facebook account. Enter your login password. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter my login password. Then click on Continue. Then verify your login detail. So go ahead and open up your Gmail account. So I'm going to open my Gmail account right here to get my verification code. So here we go. So I have my verification code right here. So I will go ahead and copy the code. I'll make sure I click on copy. Then I go back to Facebook right here. I'll paste the code right here. Then I'll click on continue. Then we are here. Next thing we want to do here is to scroll down right here where you have authentication app. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Right here, you have your Google Authenticator code right here. How are we going to use this code in our Google Authenticator? Next thing we want to do is to exit from our Facebook account. Then we have to go ahead and go to our Play Store for Android user. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. So in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store. So I'm getting to my Play Store. I will click on Search. Then I'll come to Search Apps and Game. Then I will type in Authenticator. Authenticator, Google app. Click on Search. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here and we have the app right here, Google Authenticator. Next thing we want to do is to click on Install. After a successful installation, click on Open. Click on Get Started. Continue with your Google account. Then you'll be taken right here. What you want to do right here, then click on this plus sign right here. Enter a setup key. Click on that. Then what you want to do right here is to enter the name. So I'm going to call this one Facebook account. Then click on here and enter the key. For you to get the key, go back to your Facebook. Right here. Copy this key. Having copied the key, click on here and go back to your Google. Having copied the key, go back to your Authenticator. Paste the key right here. Having pasted the key, click on Add. And you have your Facebook account successfully added into your Google Authenticator. It's that simple. Next thing you want to do is to simply go back to your Facebook account. Then click on Next. Then you'll be asked to enter 6-digit code on from your Google Authenticator. Go back to your Authenticator to generate the code. Then you have the 6-digit code right here. So 466792. Go back here. Four six six seven nine two. Enter the 6-digit code right here. 466792. Click on next. Two-factor authentication is on. Next thing you want to do is to click on done. It's that simple. With that, you have enabled two-factor Google. With that, you have enabled Google Authenticator app for your Facebook account. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your Facebook account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.